Okay na? Okay. So, good morning. Today is July 16, 2026. So we have procurement activities, the pre-bid opening of 3 projects, but the one project is less than 10 million, 5 million. So we have the quorum, the members of the BAC, the Secretariat, the TWG, the IT who is in charge on our live streaming on our YouTube channel, the DPWH Lower Kalinga District Engineering Office, and those who are following us, good morning. So just follow us on this pre-bid conference. And we have a prospective bidder who attend today. So kindly, ma'am, introduce yourself and yung company, what company you represent?
Good morning po. Rica May Ercilia from Siporac Construction po.
Siporac Construction. Okay. So thank you for coming and participate in our live streaming pre-bid. So let's proceed with the contract ID 24PL0140. The organizational outcome 2, protect lives and properties against major floods, construction, maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage system, construction of drainage canal along Mountain Province boundary Kalanan-Pinokpok Abut Road, Kalanan-Pinokpok Junction section, and we have the kilometer KO508 plus 414 to KO508 plus 856. Location, Tabuk City, Kalinga, with an approved budget for the contract, 34,254,936 pesos and 35 centavos only. The contract duration, 175 calendar days. And we have the brief description or scope of work to be done at the project site. We have the construction of 442 meter length concrete canal with grating, 826.90 meter length by 3.35 meter width by 0.28 meter thick PCCP, 436 meter length by 2.5 meter width by 0.28 meter thick PCCP, 442 meter length by 6.7 meter width asphalt overlay, 43.31 meter length by 3.35 meter width asphalt overlay, and we have 210 meter length retaining wall. The bid opening will be on July 29, 2026. And this contract ID have previously bid, but the bidders have non-complying. So we have re-advertised this, and now we have conduct the pre-bid conference. So we just browse the BOQ since many times this contract ID have been pre-bid, and we have conducted a bid opening. So for the facilities for the engineer, provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer with an ABC of 809,343 pesos and 36 centavos only, one lump sum. Provision of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineer on rental basis with an approved budget contract, 313,600 pesos with 5.83 vehicle month. So permits and clearances, one lump sum. Miscellaneous survey and staking, one lump sum. Project billboard, signboard 3H. Miss Jane. Thank you. Occupational Safety and Health Program with an ABC of 385,053 pesos and 17.8 centavos, one lump sum. Traffic Management, one lump sum. Demobilization, one lump sum. And the removal and relocation of utilities, one lump sum. Removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump structural concrete, 3,000 PSI, Class A, 28 days, 592.18 cubic meter. The lean concrete, 132.94 cubic meter. Reinforcing steel deformed, grade 40, 60,376.63 kilogram. The bituminous tuck-coat emulsified asphalt, 3,106.47 square meter. The bituminous concrete surface wearing course, hot laid 50 mm, 3,106.47 square meter. The Portland cement concrete pavement, the unreinforced, 0.28 meter thick, 14 days, 4,023.15 square meter. Metal frames and grating, 369 set. Seedlings, saplings for other programs, initiatives, 550 each. We have the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, white, 82.69 square meter. Individual removal of trees, 150 to 300 millimeter diameter, 9 each. The individual removal of trees, 1 to 500 millimeter diameter, 2 each. Embankment from roadway structure excavation, 2,995.83 cubic meter. Embankment from barrow, 785.38 cubic meter. The aggregate base course, 402.31 cubic meter. Pulled vinyl chloride, PVC, sewer pipe, and drain pipe, the 78.75 linear meter. So let's proceed to the equipment needed to this particular contract. So we have here the low-bed trailer with prime mover or self-loading truck 1. Dump truck own. At least we need 3, but at least 2 own. Payloader 1, water truck 1, backhoe 1 own. Motorized road grader 1, road roller 1. For the transit mixer, we need 2 unit, but at least 1 own. Cargo. Delivery truck 1. Asphalt distributor 1. The power broom 2 meter wide 1. For the asphalt paver, we have 1. Pneumatic tire roller 1. Tandem steel roller 1. Again, we have this department order number 11 series of 2017 for the laboratory equipment, the minimum, and we have a list. So remember those following us and these prospective bidders, we have the list of the minimum requirements for the laboratory. And take note, na naka-take note sa baba, dapat this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. So again, let's proceed to the K personnel. So we need a project manager with 2 years experience. Project engineer must be DPWH accredited. Materials engineer must be DPWH accredited. Foreman with 2 years experience. Likewise, the first aider with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same in compliance to all requirements subject to Department Order 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the HOPE or the district engineer and valid first aider ID from the Philippine National Red Cross. Construction site safety officer with photocopy of certificate of completion on the basic OSS course issued by the DOL, BWC, accredited safety training organization or the recognized institution. Include also the contract number, address, tax identification number, TIN or the TIN. We have also the machine copy of PRC and the accreditation of both the materials engineer and the project engineer. So before we continue, we have just we have 2 ladies just entered the room. Kindly introduce yourself and what company you are representing for. Ma'am,
Good morning, everybody. I'm Lara Grace Eson from Sunbless Construction, sir. Sunbless Construction.
from Sunbless Construction, and the other lady?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Cherilyn Alyong from JEP Construction.
From JEP Construction. Thank you for coming to witness or observe our pre-bid conference for the 3 projects. So let's proceed with the next contract ID 26PL0065. We have the organizational outcome. 1. Ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program, the rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse, and landslide, tertiary roads, Balbalan, Pinokpok Road, at we have several stations listed. So, please, yung mga who followed us. So anyway, we can read the location. We have KO 498 plus 116 to KO 498 plus 139. KO 506 plus 1886 to KO 506 plus 1916. KO 512 plus 874 to KO 513 plus 0600. KO 516 plus 227 to KO 516 plus 249. KO 516 plus 269 to KO 516 plus 336. KO 495 plus 461 to KO 495 plus 510. KO 496 plus 426 to KO 496 plus 450, and the last station KO 496 plus 458 to KO 496 plus 474. Location, Pinokpok, Kalinga, with an ABC of 26,180,000 pesos and 588 pesos and 23 centavos. Contract duration, we have 193 calendar days. Brief description to be done at the project site. We have the construction of 77-meter length concrete retaining wall structure, 94-meter length crib wall, 96-meter length by 3.35-meter width by 0.23-meter thick PCCP, 45-meter length by 2-meter width by 0.23-meter thick PCCP, 260-meter length curb and gutter and stone masonry. Bid opening will be on July 29, 2026. And reminder, we have just for the pakita man jay first nga ko, jay 34. Reminders, yung contract ID 24PL0140 is more than 30 million, so the our prospective bidders or the one who will bid must have an ISO, accredited ISO. So just proceed to the BOQ for the we have here the facilities for the engineers, provision of furnished fixtures, equipment and appliance for the field office for the engineers, with an ABC of 157,248 pesos only, one lump sum. Project billboard signboard 3/8, occupational safety and health program with an ABC of 367,590.23, one lump sum. Traffic management, one lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, one lump sum. And removal of structure and obstruction, one lump sum. Removal of actual structure, obstruction, to 30 mm thick PCCP and reinforced, 244.55 square meter. Structure excavation, common soil, 1,651.40 cubic meter. Embankment from Barrow, this is a granular coarse material, 2,028.50 cubic meter. Aggregate subbase course, 60.13 cubic meter. For the Portland cement, concrete pavement unreinforced, 230 mm thick, 14 days, 509.60 square meter. The reinforcing steel, grade 40, 62,390.97 kilogram. Structural concrete, class A, 20.68 megapascal, 28 days, 563.81 cubic meter. Lane concrete, class B, 16.50 megapascal, 24.89 cubic meter. The paint, 289.80 square meter. The stone masonry, 1,736.66 cubic meter. And the drain pipe, PVC, 400 linear meter. And the last, the curb and gutter, this is a cast in place, 260 linear meter. So, for the equipment needed for this particular contract, we need a 1 unit low-bed trailer with prime mover or self-loading truck. The dump truck, we need 4, but at least 2 own. Payloader 1, water truck 1, backhoe 1 but own. Backhoe with breaker 1 own. Road roller 1, road grader 1, the transit mixer 1. The cargo truck, 1. So again, to comply to DO number 11 series of 2017, we have the list of the laboratory equipment needed, or the minimum requirements. So again, take note, mga prospective bidders, this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor who will bid this project. For the key personnel, we have we need 1 project manager with 1 year experience. A project engineer must be DPWH accredited. The same with the materials engineer. ME must be DPWH accredited. Foreman with 1 year experience. So reminders to those prospective bidders. Again, we are reiterating that your project engineer and materials engineer should be present at during pre-construction meeting to see your pledged materials engineer and the project engineer at site. Even the equipment, your pledged equipment should be at the project site during the mobilization or demobilization before you claim that mobilization and demobilization or the 15% advance payment. Those equipment should be present at the project site, even those, including those signages, yung traffic management, dapat nandun sa site. This will be included on your advance payment, the picture of your billboard, mga equipment, mga signages. Yun ang additional na yung DPW's lower required that all your pledged equipment and your project engineer, materials engineer should be at the project site to come out with a good quality of project to be implemented by you, the bidder or the contractor of this certain project. So we have also the first aider with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same in compliance to all requirements subject to DO 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the HOPE, the district engineer, and the valid first aider ID from the Philippine National Red Cross. construction of site safety officer with photocopy of certificate of completion on the basic OSS course issued by DDOL, BWC, the accredited safety training organizations, or the recognized institutions. Please also include the contact number, the address, tax identification number, the machine copy of PRC, and the accreditation of both the materials engineer and the project engineer. So we just brought this contract ID 26PL0066. So just see we have here the organizational outcome 1, the ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national road, tertiary roads, Balbalan, Pinokpok Road, KO 506 plus 2676 to KO 509 plus 0498 and KO 509 plus 458 to KO 509 plus 719. So this project should not be not need to be pre-bid, but just we see the BOQ and the equipment pledge so that those following us on our live streaming and those who attend this pre-bid conference should see what the bill of quantities, the equipment pledge, the K personnel, so that they know what they will be, so that they will comply on this listed on needed on this project. So we have there the scope of work to be done at project site, the construction of 467 meter length reinforced concrete canal and 40 meter length grouted riprap, and bid opening will be on July 29, 2026 with a contract duration of 60 calendar days. May prospective bidder dito? Mga 3 ladies? Wala. Itong contract ID, wala. Dito. Wala. So, yung equipment, diretso sa equipment para so we have here the equipment needed. We need 1 low bed with prime mover self-loading truck, 1 dump truck, 2 but at least 1 own, backhoe 1, water truck 1, cargo delivery truck 1. So that's so for the K personnel. We have the 1 project manager, at least 1 year experience. Project engineer must be DPWH accredited. The materials engineer may not be DPWH accredited, but it must be a licensed civil engineer. Take note. Foreman, 1 year experience. So this just the same. We need a first aider, the construction site safety officer, and other K personnel needed on this particular project. So for the again additional. Remember that we are using the new form for the omnibus sworn statement. You have to comply, include yung required sa RA 12009, the complete list of the sentence or paragraph on the omnibus sworn statement. Para walang problema during bid opening. Kasi dapat itong mga project na pre-bid natin ay dapat may award, tapos wala sanang problemang kasi lalo na yung isang project na nabid noon but the 2 bidder have not complied on the requirements to be listed or required by this procurement unit. So they have failed. So we have again conducted a pre-bid conference just to award this project, especially that particular project is funded to 2024. And baka babalik yan pag hanggang December. So sayang yung pondo. So any additional inputs or reminders from our back members to our prospective bidders?
Good morning to each and everyone. Just a reminder to our prospective bidders of the instruction, but instruction to bidders data? Part of the instruction to bidders is the section 17.1. Each bidder shall submit one original and 2 copies of the first and second components. The original copy and 2 copies of the bid shall be book bounded. Strict one basit dito niya. Book bounded, numbered, paginated per DO number 90 series of 22 with air tags. Kasi pwedeng maging ang tawag nito, ground for and another reminder is the submission of documents as per the checklist provided to you. So, paki-command J+ mo checklist. Yan po ang checklist natin. Paki-arrange na rin yung yung mga documents as to checklist para to facilitate the presentation and the preliminary evaluation of your documents. Yung arrangement ng checklist na yan, yun din sana ang arrangement ng documents ninyo.
Pati yung addendum.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, including the addendum to facilitate the evaluation of the preliminary evaluation of the bid proposal.
So, mga prospective bidders natin, nandun yung checklist, please comply to avoid non-complying. So, we are irritating that all prospective bidders should comply with the checklist to have to be complied on all the documents attached submitted by you to be evaluated during bid opening, since we are only on the pass or fail during bid opening. So if you have not complied, you are not complying, you not qualified on that particular project. That's it.
Take note of the notation dyan na any missing, incomplete, or patently insufficient. Paki-highlight nga po, ma'am, ano? Any missing, incomplete, or patently insufficient document in the above-mentioned checklist is a ground for outright rejection of the bid.
So, walang, no, nandun, nakanot doon. Kaya, please comply. Okay?
Another reminder, Mr. Chairman, yung pag-seal sana ninyo ng envelope, please lang man, hanyo iraman mat ang isil di jay unig ta han nga kuha di jay anya dito labeling ti envelope you nya. Kasi maminsan kami isil you di envelope you may iraman nga may isil di jay labeling na di jay envelope. No, ikatin mo di jay plaster na o no garter na ay garter ba di? DJ tape na mairaman nga maikuha DJ labeling na DJ envelope. So please lang man hanyo mat ang no isil you di outside uno di envelope you be sure nga han nga mairaman nga mai-tape dagay envelope iji uneg na dagay enclosed envelope.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Warren, for that additional reminders to our prospective bidders, especially those who attend today and those who followed us on our live streaming on our YouTube channel DPWH Lower Kalinga District Engineering Office. So that's end of our procurement activities for today, and we have successfully conducted a pre-bid conference for the 3 infra project. So, thank you mga prospective bidders natin na pumunta at mag-observe at yung mga who followed us on our live streaming. So, thank you mga back members, TWG, the IT who in charge of our live streaming, and also our secretariat. Thank you very much for this your attendance. Thank you and God bless us all.